Hi friends, welcome back. This is fourth destination of Nimrana. और मैंने देखा है होटल के पास में बहुत सारे सनफ्लावर्स हैं. So pretty. तो फाइनली अब लोग पहुंच गए हैं निम्राना तिसरौली द हिल फोर्ट. तो हिल के ऊपर जा रहे हैं और मेरे को तिजारा याद आ रहा है बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है तिजारा शायद थोड़ी ज़्यादा बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी थी और ज़्यादा ऊंचाई पे थी. एंड वी आर बैक इन निम्राना. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट होटल चेन because they renovate old fort and properties so well. My last visit was at Tijara and there is another property in Alwar, so overall 3 fort properties. Let's see how is this one. हाँ, Tijara was like bigger than this one. तिजारा काफ़ी बड़ा था. बहुत सारे डिस्कशन और बहुत सारे करेज के बाद हमने ये ट्रिप बनाया. इन 2020 बिकॉज ऑफ द करंट सिनेरियो हम लोग कहीं जा नहीं रहे थे और एक ओपन एयर एटमॉस्फेयर मेरा प्रेफरेंस था बिकॉज इट लुक्ड वेरी सेफ एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट दिस प्लेस इज़ वेरी क्लीन एंड हाइजीनिक. चेक इन पे डिस्टेंस मेंटेन किया है, मास्क पहना था सबने. चेक इन में टाइम है तो थोड़ा खाना कैरी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ढाबा में तो खा नहीं सकते अब. सो हियर इज माय चाय एंड पूरी. दिस इज़ द सेटअप फॉर द लंच और वेदर शायद थोड़ा ठीक हो रहा है. रेंज हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा. सो वेलकम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम सैन फ्रांसिस्को जॉइनिंग फॉर निम्राना.
Yes, I've been welcomed with aloo puri and masala chai. What better can happen?
Great. That's Dipesh joining us and Rohit, and this is check-in time. So evening we have to be sitting here, right?
Sit here. Some drinks and dinner. Dinner 8 to 10 है. And ये सामने रेस्टोरेंट.
चेक इन के पहले हमने रेस्टोरेंट देखा. खाली जगह देखकर we were really satisfied. We will be coming here for dinner, but before that it was time to check out our suite. The way to our room was underground and it was a big relief in this weather. The way was a little spooky, but there were windows and look at the beautiful view from here. रात को मैं अकेले तो यहाँ पे चेक इन नहीं करूँगी. आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई एम ट्रैवलिंग इन अ ग्रुप एट दिस प्लेस. So this is Fawn Mahal.
Give you the keys. So ये है एक key. This is the bathroom.
This is me.
That's Neha. Here we are. That's one side. जहाँ 2 bedroom है. मतलब 2 beds हैं, एक ये bed है. And look at this, our personal balcony.
So how is your room?
My room? Awesome. Okay. One more person to sleep on it.
I think.
So this is the beginning of Nimrana stay moment. यहाँ के rooms are like palaces. They are well decorated and very comfortable. They were well sanitized and clean. It also reminded me of my previous visit to Tijara Fort, for which I have shared my vlog earlier. Ready?
And you have a note here. You want to read?
What does it say? Humility is the secret of the wise. Nice. balcony. Clouds और farming हो रही है. Villagers हैं वहाँ पे. I don't know if it's visible. And ये हमारा व्यू है और रूम का नाम है फॉन महल. I was meeting my cousin after a long time. So after a long chit chat over chai, it was time to go out and also check out this fort property. So we are checking out this property. It's like a maze. ऐसा लग रहा है किसी भूल भुलैया में.
ये क्या बोलते हैं? रास्ते. Oh, nice.
क्या है अंदर?
टिक टॉक टेबल.
Okay, we can do yeah.
नहीं तो बंद होगा ना.
Gym. Obviously कोई जिम अभी यूज नहीं करेगा.
और ये स्पा है जो बंद बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड.
So we come out again. Similar place.
Welcome to the beautiful Fort Kasnoli. Looking forward to this golden evening tonight.
The sunset.
Sunset, the chai and the pakoras.
Great. The great Indian tea time indeed, because we all love chai. And who knew pakoras were also getting served here in some time. Here is the beautiful pool, which is the best part of this property. And do you know, this is one of the oldest heritage sites in India where one can stay. This beautiful fort on a hilltop will give you magnificent views, and it is believed that it is over 7 centuries old. The restoration process started here in 1995 and it was opened in 98. Let's enjoy the evening chai.
यानी evening with the tea, a nice view.
It is time to explore this fort. We just saw this amazing sunset here. Living in fort is one of its kind experience, especially if you have a backdrop of these beautiful Aravalli hills. While I have the luxury in my room, the outsides are still maintained in its original form so that the authenticity is kept alive. Property?
I love this property. पिछले जन्म में ये मेरा किला था
Really?
और मैं इसे क्लेम करने आ गया.
Sunset watching was planned on top of the fort. The views were mesmerizing, and also do not miss amazing bird sounds here. I'm glad we came because the view from top is very good. So those are parrots. Suddenly I realized it was worth to put all this effort, and we took the right decision. By taking right precautions and maintaining distance in open spaces, we think it is really safe. However, we do not promote any tourism right now, But yes, this was worth it. Sunset का यही अच्छा है कि with time it just keeps getting better, especially the sky. And these Aravalli hills are so green because it's monsoon time. I just hope it rains. Look at the greenery. So as usual in the night they light this up. I remember in Tijara also they did it. Nimrana Fort की lighting मेरी one of the favorite है, but this one was little normal. Obviously in current times there were no live music, but still it's fine. So now we are heading for our dinner. So there will be buffet. We are first one here just to make sure that everything is okay. So I think buffet is a la carte.
So तुम्हें बैठना होगा and they'll serve you at the table. And you get starter and this is corn cheese pakoda type, something like that. It's really nice, crunchy.
Love it.
So this is the next morning. There is a message.
There's a message in it. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life that goes on.
Very nice. So good morning everyone, and we are having a beautiful morning. It's 7 AM और 7 बजे का नज़ारा मैं दिखाती हूँ. ये है व्यू आज. ऐसा लग रहा है कि खेतों में कैंपिंग करी है. And I can smell that, and sun यहाँ से rise हुआ. We got cycles and went cycling in the farms nearby. I wonder what feeling he must be having coming from San Francisco to these farms. So after this cycling, it was breakfast time and we were heading for our restaurant for the buffet. So new normal में buffet is obviously not possible. You can go and check what do you want to order and they will serve it on your table. Everything looked pretty hygienic and well maintained. It's time to check out and we really loved every minute of our stay here. A short trip, lot of courage, was worth an effort. We were going back with a sense of victory that we did it well, maintained distances, wore masks and also enjoyed.
अब कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? शायद पालक खिला।
पालक ला सकते हैं, देख लें।
Grateful as we were checking out, so much of efforts done to renovate this property. Thanks so much to Nimrana Group, and also in the end we could visit this beautiful ancient temple after such a long time. Just few hours drive from Delhi, we were here. How did you like my experience? Please subscribe to our channel and also share it ahead. Thank you.